To session 1, where we will be looking at building out your own model. Now, as you may know, more and more marketers, and really marketing in general, are constantly under pressure to justify their marketing effectiveness, prove ROI, and create efficiencies at scale. Does any of this sound familiar? Well, to do this well, many organizations, and really every organization, should have a model for how they track consumers from anonymous visitor all the way to loyal customer and promoter. Now, the goal of building a model is to ensure that you have a way to track and measure every primary step a consumer takes during the buying journey. The benefit of having multiple models of historical numbers is that then you are able to build out future scenarios by which you can more accurately gauge ROI, create the efficiency at scale, and identify opportunities for marketing activities on each channel. I look forward to building out your model with you in the coming lesson.